Arch Linux versus Omarchy. Which Linux setup is better? Choosing the right Linux setup can transform your system's flexibility and control without overwhelming complexity. Arch Linux offers a minimalist base, while Omarchy builds on Arch with added automation and ease. Arch Linux is a lightweight DIY Linux distribution focused on simplicity and user control. Omarchy is a derivative that automates many setup tasks while preserving Arch's core principles. The main difference lies in how much manual configuration you want versus automated convenience. Arch Linux is a versatile, rolling release distribution designed for users who want complete control over their system. It provides a minimal base installation, allowing users to customize every aspect through manual configuration. Arch uses the Pacman package manager and offers access to the Arch user repository, a vast collection of community-maintained packages. Its strengths include cutting-edge software, excellent documentation via the Arch Wiki, and unmatched customization. However, Arch requires solid Linux knowledge, as installation and setup involve command line work and manual system configuration. This makes it less suitable for beginners or users seeking a ready-to-use system. Arch is ideal for experienced users who want to build a tailored Linux environment, learn deeply about Linux internals, and maintain full control over updates and packages. Omarchy is a Linux distribution based on Arch Linux that aims to simplify the Arch experience by automating setup and maintenance tasks. It retains Arch's rolling release model and access to the same repositories, but introduces scripts and tools to streamline installation, system configuration, and package management. Omarchy reduces the manual workload by providing automated installers and predefined configurations while still allowing users to customize their system. Its strengths include faster setup times, reduced complexity for new users, and preservation of Arch's flexibility. However, the automation layer may limit some advanced customizations and requires trust in the provided scripts. Omarchy is best suited for users who want the power and up-to-date software of Arch Linux but prefer a more guided, less hands-on approach to installation and system management. Arch Linux and Omarchy both deliver a rolling release experience with access to the same software ecosystem, but their approaches differ. Arch prioritizes manual control and learning, making it perfect for users who want to configure every detail from scratch. This can be time-consuming and requires Linux expertise. Omarchy automates much of this process, offering a quicker, easier setup while maintaining Arch's core benefits. For example, a developer who enjoys customizing every system component may prefer Arch, while a user wanting a powerful Arch base without the steep learning curve will find Omarchy more practical. The trade-off is between complete hands-on control versus convenience and speed. Both maintain Arch's performance and software freshness, but your choice depends on how much time and effort you want to invest in system setup and maintenance. Choose Arch Linux if you value total control, enjoy deep customization, and are comfortable with manual system configuration and maintenance. Opt for Omarchy if you want the power and flexibility of Arch Linux, with automated setup and easier maintenance. It's ideal for users seeking a balance between Arch's cutting-edge software and a more streamlined, user-friendly experience.